The St. Andrew North Police say most of the troubled spots along Red Hills Road have gone nearly 6 months without a single murder. Kirk Wright has our story.
For months now, there's been harmony among the 100 and Park Lane residents and surrounding areas. It's an area along Red Hills Road that's notorious for sporadic violence, including murders. Deputy Superintendent of Police for the St. Andrew North Police Division, Berhin Barnes, says the last murder happened on the last day of November last year.
Since the start of the year, we have not had any murders nor shootings in these communities, and I strongly believe that this is as a result of the strategic thinking and the implementation of the various strategies. It is as a result of the collaboration with our various stakeholders, the most important being the citizens of this community. It is as a result of the sacrifice and the hard work of the men and women of the St. Andrew North Division.
The only recent shots being fired in the area are the ones aimed at the goalkeepers in a football tournament organized by the community and police to help mend tensions. It's been a Sunday spectacle for the community. The community endured a curfew from December 1 last year until it was lifted at end of last month. Jodian Powell, one of the community football organizers, says the curfew crippled the economic life of the area, but the security measure has also been praised.
We have no violence here. We have nothing. Like, the community has been peaceful for a very long time now. So yes, the curfew is somewhat effective.
The St. Andrew North Police have been dominating the spaces to ensure the peace remains. The police say while they fail to advance in the competition, they intend to win the war on crime in the community.
We have implemented a 24-hour round-the-clock, 7 days a week foot patrol, mobile patrol in the area. Our officers are always on the ground. We have various community meetings, you can say, that we are now residents of these communities. We are not going anywhere, and we will continue to work with the community to have this level of sustained peace as best as possible.
The police say social decay remains one of their biggest challenges, but that they've been partnering with other agencies to help. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.